Pawtucket, and welcome to our pilot episode of Cooking with Our Community, where we will teach families how to cook meals we give you right in the comfort of your home during distance learning. Sure, you can just reheat all of the distance learning meals we provide each day, but we wanted to give families the opportunity to learn and cook together if they'd like. Please make sure you are cooking with an adult when making this meal. With that being said, let's see what we have for lunch today. As you've already done, you scan the QR code to head us to the YouTube channel. And make sure to like us on Facebook by searching the Pawtucket Food Service Program. Wow, look at that. In here we have enough to make chicken fajitas. We have our tortillas, our chicken, a little bit of cheese, our peppers and onions, and a little bit of seasoning. Now we've also provided a nice salsa cup and some apple slices. Let's get to work. Now what you're going to do first is put a little bit of cooking spray on our pans. Any little frying pan at home will do. Again, make sure you have your parents' supervision. All right. So first, we're going to open up our chicken. Medium to high heat. Again, we're just reheating these products, but medium to high heat will be fine at home. There you go. And you just want to make sure you get all the chicken coated with the oil or pan spray you're using. Turn up the heat a little bit right there. In the next pan, we're just going to get our vegetables together. Same thing, lightly coat. We'll toss those on the stovetop in a second. Again, making sure we have our parents' supervision while doing this at home, and give it a nice light toss there. You can open up our tortillas and get that ready. So you've got enough in there for 2 tortillas. I'm going to make one for my taste test here today. All right, so we got the chicken. Again, it doesn't have to be too long. We're just warming it up, getting to the right temperature. Chicken and the tortilla there. We can put that aside. And then we get the vegetables on there. And we hope you're enjoying these distance learning meals we're able to provide during this difficult time. While we're cooking, we have a little joke for you to ease the transition. You're going through a lot at home. Did you know that the term fajita, when translated literally into Spanish, means little belt? I can tell you this, if you eat as many fajitas as I do, you're certainly going to need a bigger belt. All right, so we got the vegetables done there. Put a little bit of those on. All right, sprinkle a little cheese. Just gonna melt it a little bit, which it will on the hot food products there. Fajita. I'm going to unmask just so I can sample off our product. And that's a good one. That's a good distance learning meal for today. I hope you enjoy it. As much as I do. And that's it for our first episode. Please feel free to join us. Next week we'll have a special guest. Her name is Emily Malozzi from Agnes Little Elementary. We're going to sample off some of her favorite food items. And have a great week, and please remember, like us on Facebook by searching the Pawtucket Food Service Program. Thank you.